Respected teachers and dear friends, good evening all of you. Today date is 2nd of May 2022 and our today's video topic is collection and set. So let's discuss about it. First we'll discuss about collection and then we'll move to the set. Collection, as we know that collection is basically a framework or a set of different types of data in which we can do all the possible mathematical operations on the data. Means collection is a framework or a single unit of objects which will allow you to do certain operations on the data like insertion, deletion, searching, sorting and lots of methods. So basically collection is introduced in Java to overcome the drawbacks of array, which is size limit and storage of data. So collection is basically has a number of classes inbuilt, number of interfaces are there and number of methods also. The classes are like array list, linked list, or vector list, then hash set, tree set, and it has interfaces like set, dq, nq, etc. It also has some methods in the form of depend upon what operations you want to perform, like adding, insertion, removing, sorting. Then different types of methods are available in that. So in today's video we'll only talk about the set particularly. Set in a collection is basically an interface. Set is an interface which is used to print the only original elements in a particular set. It means it extends the collection set, and collection set means it is an unordered list which don't allow us to use duplicate elements. So set basically only can store an original elements in the set. It has a number of interfaces like sorted set, navigable set. Navigable set extend a sorted set, and we have another set like hash set, a linked hash set, tree set. So we'll see only one line difference between this. Hash set basically store the elements in its own logic. Linked hash set stores the element as per our insertion order. It maintains the insertion order, and tree set stores the element in the form of sorted form. So let's see what set actually does. Set is used to do certain kind of operations on our data, like intersection. Intersection means if you have two sets, so it will only takes both the same elements in both the sets. Like if you have two sets and the same elements which are present in the both sets, that are we can get using intersection, and intersection can done by the use of method contains all or retrieve all. So second is union. Union means just adding two sets in one set. Two sets elements are both the elements are stored in the one set. And the next one is duplicate elements remove. In two sets, the elements which are present in both sets are removed by the use of remove duplicate. So it has it mainly use add all method, then retrieve all and remove all. These types of methods are used to perform those operations. So let's see, there are a number of other methods which are available in set interfaces. Like first is add. Add method is used to add any element in a particular set. And as we know that set only allows original elements to be stored. So add method can return a true or false value. If you are adding an element which is already present in a set, then add method will give you a false result. And if an element is not present in the set, it will add that element in the set and it will give you a true result. The next is add all method. Add all method means it adds all the elements in another set in a particular set. So next is contains. Contains means is used to search an element is present in a set or not. If an element is present in a set, it will give you a true result, and else it give you a false result. Second is contain all. Contain all means it will check whole elements in a set. Then the next method is iterator. Iterator means it mainly used to iterate the elements of a set one by one. There are lots of methods in set which are available. We can use any method for as per our requirement. Like if you are wanting to know the size of an set, there is size method available. So this is about the set in collection. We will talk about the hash set, tree set, and another classes, array list, linked list in the later videos. Thank you so much.